Good morning, Madison. Good morning. You reading? Okay. What is this? It says, what do you do? What do you do? Nothing. Here you go. You don't want it? No? Where's your baby? Here, come get your baby. Get your doll baby.
I got an idea. I know how to get all the fruit flies. Do you know the juice thing?
Good morning.
You know the juice thing around?
Mm-hmm.
I made it open it.
Okay, let's go see what you're talking about.
Jason, that sounded like you didn't even care. She said, good morning.
Good morning, Jordan.
Good morning.
What are you doing today?
Sweeping this.
That's your chore?
Jason wants out.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, so what are you talking about now?
There's no fruit fly.
There's no fruit fly?
Yeah, there's no fruit fly.
Oh, sorry. How do you get rid of fruit fly?
So I'm going to open this. See if there's one inside. So one came here.
Did you pour it out and wash the container?
Not yet.
Okay. Well, you need to dry all your dishes. Put them away. I think you're all done with chores. Okay, guys. So here is this section of the kitchen. I started this yesterday. These are the doors, and I love this section of my kitchen. Just love this side of my kitchen. No, get up, Leah. No.
Ready?
No, I have to wash the girls' hair this morning. Oh, Jackson is sleeping. It's okay, I got her. The island is complete. So once everything is done, I will give you guys an official kitchen tour. Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
Is this your last day of painting?
The who?
Is this your last day of painting?
No, it's not. I actually have, so that section is going to be done all in one, and then that section. So I have 3 more days of painting. Okay, come on.
Turn them back.
Alright. Oh, who didn't say good morning?
Good morning.
I have to wash your hair. What's your chore for the day?
I had to do laundry. And the living room.
Living room.
And vacuum.
And vacuum. Okay. And she did a pretty good job. Yep.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet. Know the reason why.
Say hello before I tickle you. You guys are not seeing it. Like, perfect. Right there. Just right there. But, oh, there got the lighting. Yes, right there. Kitchen perfection. Hi. Hello. How are you? Fine? Yes. You always come when the camera is on. What's up? What's up? What do you got to say? What do you have to say? That I love you. Give me a kiss. I love you. I love you. I gotta finish. Oh, I gotta show you guys. The island is finished. I finished the island. So. This is what the island looked like completed. And I know, yes, I have all different kind of color going on up in here, but yeah. I feel like screaming. What do you need? So, I want to run to the store, but I don't feel like leaving the house. You ever had those kind of days? Mommy, I need to get,
I made a finger.
You made a finger?
Yeah.
What is that?
Look at it. I made a finger.
A finger?
Yeah.
Oh, let me show you guys the finger.
I'm a good animator. Me and Jason are.
Okay, why is it not focusing?
Animator.
Okay. There go her finger. Good job.
Thank you.
Gotta wash your hair.
Thank you.
Get down off the island, girl. Get down off the island. Go with sis. It's 1 o'clock and I'm just now making breakfast. Because I'm telling you, I told you guys I'm doing intermittent fasting and I'm burning the food. Like, why? So. Ah! This is breakfast or lunch. I don't know what it is. But I love eggs and hot dog. And this is beef hot dog. So I'm about to eat this. I might run to the store, but I'm not sure. What do you need? How many is in there? Cat, look, she always asking, what? What did you say? I can't hear you. What did you say? Huh? A popsicle? You want a popsicle? Okay. It's enough. Where's her popsicle that was here?
Oh, it's in there.
Oh, it's burning. Ooh, I hate electrical. Oh, thank you.
That's all.
Say thank you. Yeah. Give one to everyone. My food's burning. So, oh, she just got herself a little spine little. She was messing with something, so I'm doing her hair. It's wash day. Every day is wash day. Her hair is like really knotted. Let me show you guys. Miss Destiny has a lot of hair, and don't mind, I'm painting. It's really thick in the root, but her ends are like really. Someone turn that TV off. Turn that TV off. Come here. Are you watching the television? Turn it off. So, anyways, yeah, so her hair is really thick at the root, but the ends are really, I don't know, ever since she's been little, her hair has always been thick in the middle. But I messed up her hair anyways, but I'm gonna detangle it. So I detangled this side, and then I just need to do this side. So what I try to do is wash her hair in sections. So what I do is I wash first, and then I condition, and then twist it back up so that it's not a knotted mess.
Face to face, I found my pain beneath the lies and broken dreams. Lost the love I had in me. It tore me apart, fade away. I felt so lost, but I held on to what I had. For what it's worth, if you're feeling low, just...
Okay, so Maddie's hair, stop crying. Maddie's hair detangled with water, unlike Destiny's. So I have to spray water to get her hair to detangle. So now I'm gonna lay her back and wash it with just conditioner. Her hair just gets conditioner. Come on. Come on. She's gonna eat her gummy first. She hates to detangle her hair. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Say hi. I just don't like to get my hair done. We gotta finish. We gotta finish. Stop. Stop. Okay, let's put some more water. Put some more water.
This one for the person who feels alone. This one for the hero who has no home. This
Thank you.
The drops and shit?
I'm not sure. Just ask him to come here. She just wants to be left alone, man. You gotta get your hair done. No, that's not how it works. Come on. You're gonna get your hair done, Maddie. Whether you like it or not.
Oh, Maddie.
Nothing's wrong with Maddie. She just does not want to get her hair done. Okay, you're done. You're done.
Alright.
That's it. You're done.
Maddie.
So I woke up this morning wanting to be productive, and there's always a force fighting against me. Whether it be my toddler screaming Bloody Mary or Bloody Jesus or whatever you want to call it, because she don't want to get her hair done. Okay, okay, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I was supposed to do a cleaning video today. Ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen. There's so much that is pulling me in so many different directions that it's just like, I just want to schedule already. And I still have to figure out schooling for the children. And I'm just praying to God that my heart can hold up. Right, Maddie? Anyways, people, I hope I got enough footage. Okay. I hope I got enough footage to throw it together or something and call it, put a title, slap a title on it and call it something. I don't think I did. Shout out to Miss Mia Joy for sending me a housewarming gift, and I'm getting ready to go spend that sucker. I'll put in your address so that I could figure out, you know, when I'm gonna be able to come visit you and actually meet you in person. And that bad boy is like a little mini road trip that I don't think my husband is willing to drive me, and I don't think I'm brave enough to put a whole bunch of kids in a car and take off how many hours it is to get to your house, kind of thing. But I want to, and one of these days when I'm feeling ambitious, or feeling, you know, feeling myself like I can do anything through Christ who strengthens me. Amen, Janice, amen. Don't do a little sermon right now, but one of these days I'm gonna get in my car, I'm gonna plug in your address, I'm gonna say, Mia, I'm coming to your house, let's go have lunch. By the time I get there, it will be lunchtime, and then it'll be time for me to turn around, come back to my house, you know what I mean? Or we could be halfway, a half point or something. You drive how many hours it is, divide by 2, and you drive that and I drive, and we meet up, go shopping, whatever, and then head back on, you know what I mean? So that would be fun. If you're up to it, let me know. Anyways, guys, oh Lord, I've been talking for that long. I'm gonna go cuddle with my baby boo. Hi, Jason.
Hi.
I'm gonna go cuddle with my baby boo and have a good afternoon. Hubby's cooking because he's just that type of person. He's greedy and he can't wait.